This RYOBI 40V Cordless String Trimmer delivers strong, gas-like cutting performance without the fumes, pull starts, or routine engine maintenance of a traditional gas unit. The included high-capacity lithium-ion battery and charger provide enough runtime for most medium to large yards, and they integrate seamlessly with the broader RYOBI 40V tool lineup. Its attachment-ready design lets you connect compatible Expand It and other universal accessories, so one powerhead can handle edging, pruning, and other yard tasks while saving storage space. The adjustable cutting swath, ranging from roughly 13 to 15 inches, allows you to choose between longer runtime or a wider cutting path depending on the job. A bump feed head with premium dual cutting line makes reloading straightforward and gives clean, consistent trimming along fences, beds, and sidewalks. The variable speed trigger offers precise control around delicate areas while still having plenty of power in reserve for heavier grass and weeds.